problems based on mole concept. Mole concept is the backbone of chemistry. For element, mole equal to weight in gram by atomic weight. For compound, mole equal to weight in gram by molecular weight. Question: the number of atoms in 1 mole given. The number of atoms in 1 mole equal to 6 into 10 to the power 23. Calculate. A. The number of molecules in 14 gram nitrogen gas. B. The total number of atoms in 18 gram of water. C. The number of chloride ions in 101 gram of dry or anhydrous calcium chloride. Solution: moles of nitrogen gas equal to weight in gram by molecular weight equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. Number of molecules equal to mole into Avogadro number. This equal to 0.5 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 3 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 0.5 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 3 into 10 to the power 23. B. 1 mole of H2O contains 3 gram atoms. Question B. The total number of atoms in 18 gram of H2O. When molecular weight expressed in gram, then it is called gram molecular mass or molar mass. Here 18 gram of H2O contains, here 1 mole of H2O contains 3 gram atom. Therefore, number of atoms equal to 3 into Avogadro number, that is 3 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. Question C. The number of chloride ion in 111 gram of dry or anhydrous calcium chloride. Here molecular weight of calcium chloride is 111. When 111 gram of calcium chloride is taken, that means 1 mole of calcium chloride is taken. When 1 mole of calcium chloride is electrolyzed or electrolysis, when 1 mole of calcium chloride is electrolysis, then it gives 1 mole of calcium ion and 2 mole of chloride ions. 1 mole calcium chloride gives 2 moles chloride ion equal to 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 12 into 10 to the power 3 equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power 24 chloride ions.